Yeah. You know how like all the LCS players sing in here and we think they're just trying to show off? Like it's really easy.
It's really easy.
Just
Riven are actually doing pretty okay, so.
Alright, I can hold the turret I think, but
oh, that's bad, that's bad.
Oh!
Take her down.
Oh,
he's
he's
got a Nivea! What is that?
I'm still focusing her.
Scramble!
Oh my god. Galio, nice.
Nice!
Trying to stop
we can't
them
5v3.
from
Oh,
fighting.
everything,
I thought I dodged it all! No,
everything I have is AoE.
Oh, Jesus!
Ulti and 8.
They're gonna get it.
Oh my god! What?
No!
Godspeed, Rivington.
I have Zap in a second.
Get excited!
Oh, here we go.
Oh, nice shot,
Nice
Breeze.
shot. We got
Open your
it.
eyes
Keep
next time.
chasing.
Come on, explode!
Yeah!
Nice! Yeah! Oh! Good work! Yeah!
Oh, there's a leg back there.
Yo, man, look at me, man. I got a